Hello students, I'm here to help you rename your writing assignment in your Writing Google Classroom. First click on the writing, then click classwork, and you'll see the personal narrative assignment. I've reserved a copy for you of the personal narrative assignment in Google Classroom. Click on personal narrative, and you'll see the title, and you'll also see the name of the file. I need you to click just before the P in the name of the file and type your last name and press the Shift and underscore button at the same time. And that will rename your paper, and it will be easier for me to find your assignment. You will also need to highlight the underline right beside name, and then type in your first and last name. I've given you an example in the directions on how to rename your personal narrative assignment. Please note that when you go in to type what you've already drafted in your notebook, you'll need to do the typing inside the box. I hope you enjoy creating your personal narrative. I cannot wait to read those assignments. I've already started reading some of your stories, and I am really fascinated by the tales that you are sharing with me. Have a great day and enjoy your writing.